Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Chegg subscription step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to Chegg.com. Click Sign in and log in with the Chegg account that has the active subscription. If you are already signed in, make sure it is the correct account by checking the name or email. Look at the top right corner and click your profile icon or your name. From the menu, select Account Settings. On the Account Settings page, find the section called Orders or Subscriptions. Click Subscriptions to view your current plan details. Locate the subscription you want to stop, such as Chegg Study Pack or Chegg Study. Click the option that says Cancel Subscription or End Subscription. If you do not see a Cancel button, click Manage Subscription first. Chegg may show a page asking why you are canceling, so choose a reason from the list. Click Continue to move to the next screen. Read any message about losing access at the end of the billing period. If Chegg offers a discount to stay, decide whether you want to accept it or keep canceling. Choose the option that confirms you still want to cancel. Click Confirm Cancellation to finalize the request. Wait for the confirmation screen to load fully. Take a screenshot of the confirmation page for your records. Check your email inbox for a cancellation confirmation email from Chegg. Open that email and verify it says your subscription is canceled. Note the date when your access will end, which is usually the end of your current billing cycle. If you subscribe through Apple App Store, open Settings on iPhone and tap your Apple ID. Tap Subscriptions. Select Chegg and tap Cancel Subscription. If you subscribed through Google Play, open Google Play Store and tap your profile icon. Tap Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions. Select Chegg and tap Cancel Subscription. Return to Chegg account settings to confirm the status shows canceled or expiring. If you still get charged, contact Chegg support and provide your confirmation email or screenshot. Keep checking your bank or card statement for the next billing date to ensure no new charge appears. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.